Take you out to Nags Head, North Carolina here on this Tuesday, where things are looking a little tropical, but will be even more so as we head into the end of the week as that very strong Hurricane Florence bears down on the mid-Atlantic coastline. And at all indices and all things are pointing to a Carolina landfall, North Carolina that is, with very intense winds, life-threatening storm surge, and very heavy rainfall that'll lead to some flooding. So this is a dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation unfolding here, with Olivia actually on its way to the Hawaiian Islands as well. This was the eye of Hurricane Florence yesterday, and you can see just how intense the system looks as it rapidly intensified to a Category 4 storm yesterday with 140-mile-per-hour winds. There was a slight weakening overnight early this morning, but still 130-mile-per-hour winds. And again, that's a Category 4 storm. Last update from the National Hurricane Center keeps it at a Category 4 storm, and the forecast even just before landfall early Friday morning at Cat 4, potentially the 130-mile-per-hour winds there, but it could be as high as 150 along that path. And it is a very active situation right now in the Atlantic. We have Tropical Storm Isaac, Hurricane Helene, and then even that wave, a moderate chance of tropical formation as it drifts northwest into the Gulf of Mexico over the next 5 days. So Tropical Storm Isaac likely to be continuing westward and impacting the Lesser Antilles at some point Thursday or early Friday morning. Some heavy rain and some gusty winds there. And then in the eastern Pacific, we're tracking Olivia, which again, early update from the National Hurricane Center, had a strong tropical storm, and then that would be impacting the islands here as we head into our Wednesday day time frame. And of course, the gusty winds and heavy rain will be the main concern, as heavy rain could flood things out there. But of course, we're going to keep a very close eye on what's happening with Florence as that bears down on the mid-Atlantic coast later this week.